Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Nail It 27th Day Challenge. Today, we'll do a really fun emoji design because we all are obsessed using emojis, isn't it? Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite and if you want me to create any other emoji. So, let's begin. Let's apply our base coat in order to protect our natural nail. Next, I'll use 2 coats of yellow polish and also I'll repeat the same steps for rest of my nails. I will also list down the nail polish which I'm using for this nail art in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. I am uploading a new video every day. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I would love to have you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up right down there below so that I know that you're watching and trying this nail art for yourself. We will begin with a very simple blushing emoji because I don't want you to get into a situation wherein you think that you cannot do this. So let's create a curved line for its eye. Now we'll draw a big curved line like so. You can also use a striper. I have already uploaded a video on how to create a striper at home. I'll link that down in the description and also on the right hand side corner on the top. So don't forget to check that out after this video. Now we'll add 2 dots right above the smile. In case if you don't have a dotting tool, you can also use a toothpick. Let's finish it with a fast drying top coat. So, what do you think? It was easy, right? Comment below and let me know. Next, move to our next emoji, which is a smiling face with sunglasses. All you have to do is draw a straight line, keep your brush steady and move your finger. Now, put a small dot in the center and create a V shape like so. Now we'll create another line at the edge and beneath that we'll draw a curve and join these 2 lines. Next, you want to fill in with black polish or you can also use a black acrylic paint. Let's draw a curved line for the smile. This was too light, so I will do it again. Next, take a white striper and add a line. Let's finish it with top coat. Cool, isn't it? I love this one. Next one is heart-shaped smiley. All you have to do is use a dotting tool and draw 2 hearts like I'm doing it here. Use a black striper to draw a straight line and a curved line right beneath it. Fill in the gap using a black polish or a black acrylic color. Let's apply our top coat. Next is a blowing kiss emoji. Use a dotting tool to add eye. Use a striper to add a small winky eye and also the eyebrow. For the mouth, do a zigzag line. Finally, add a little heart using dotting tool or a toothpick. Let's apply the top coat. I feel you'll love the order that we use. So we started up with a very simple one and the difficult one is right at the end. This one is one of my favorite, the happy tail emoji laughter. Begin to draw a line for its eye and eyebrow. We will do the same thing like we did earlier. Now we'll draw the straight line and a curved line right beneath it for the mouth. You can also use a dotting tool or a toothpick for the cry tears. Use the white striper to add teeth. Make sure to leave gap between the top of the mouth and teeth. Add a finish touch by adding a line with blue striper to really make them pop. This is so cute. Let's finish this with a fast drying top coat for a long lasting manicure. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe because I am uploading a new video every day. And also, if you have any special requests for me, you can also comment that below. I would love to recreate those designs for you. And yes, don't forget to share it with your friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you'll try this for yourself. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see them. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.